Yo, what's up? It's your boy, Mr. Fade Shop, the brand ambassador, and I'm here today to unbox the new Babybliss for Barbers FX trimmer. Now, this company has come out with trimmers in all different colors. You got your gold, you got your black, you got your blue, you got your red, you got your pink. But guess what? They got the black and the red now, people. They got the black and the red. Now, this is from the Influence collection. These are the Los Cut It Up FX trimmers. Look at the packaging. Look at old Los up there. Los just chilling, right? But look at as Babybliss do it, the nice red box with the little information about Los Cut It Up, which is one of the Babybliss platform artists. All right. Your warranty information, these right here come with a 2-year warranty. So if you get them, you got 2 years, 2-year warranty. All right. But this is it right here. They have come together to save the barbers a lot of money because they've added the rubber grip. They've added the rubber grip. So let me tell you a little bit about this new Los Cut It Up FX trimmer. It comes with the DLC, the Diamond Light Carbon 2.0 Deep Tooth Blade. It also comes with the Zero Gap tool. So if you need to adjust them things and make them a little bit sharper so your line can be crisp, they got the tool for you. But if you need it extra crispy, I mean, how can I talk about their product and not talk about my product? Listen, you can use the Eddie's Sharp Edges Line Spray. Now this thing is gonna have you sharp. I'm telling you, baby. So with the Babybliss FX trimmer and this Sharp Edges Line Spray from Eddie's, your customers are going to go crazy. Their line is going to be so amazing that they're not going to want to go to sleep. Or they're going to sleep like this because they're going to be scared they're going to mess the line up. So let me finish telling you about this amazing trimmer right here. It also has the 360 exposed T-blade. See that? See that right there? It's exposed right there. That means you can get in there and take care of what you need to. So if you need to clean them, if you need to oil them, if you need to adjust them, you got that 360 exposed blade, all right? There's a high torque brushless engine. High torque brushless engine with 7,200 RPMs. Now you talking about this trimmer here got that power behind it, because a lot of times when you're out there and you're in those barbershops, you need that to get them things going. And Babybliss for Barbers did it with the new FX trimmer, the Los Cut It Up, 7,200 RPMs. All metal housing. So you got an all metal housing with the diamond blade rubber handle. The new diamond texture rubber handle. So you don't have to go out and buy that rubber to put around your clippers anymore. With the new Babybliss for Barbers limited edition FX trimmer, they did the work for you. So you got the rubber around that thing, all right? It comes with a lithium-ion battery that runs for 2 hours. I'm talking about running. I'm talking 2 hours of running. Can you run as long as your trimmers can run? You probably can't, but they did it for you with the lithium-ion battery that lasts for 2 hours. You can use them corded or cordless with dual voltage. So that means if you're flying overseas or if you're cutting overseas, you can use the Babybliss for Barbers FX trimmer, the limited edition, Los Cut It Up, the black and the red, baby. You can use it. Also, you got the detent hanger hook. So if you need to hang them things up, like your favorite picture, like your license. Just maybe like your jacket. So if you just need to hang them up, you got the nice hook for it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up so you can see exactly what this new trimmer looks like. But I like the packaging. I mean, it's smooth. Almost like a Christmas gift or a nice gift. However, I mean, it got the outside packaging for you. So you have the standard metal box, the Influence from the Influence collection. There you have it. Babybliss Pro. Babybliss for Barbers, limited edition. That means you can't get it everywhere, and when they're gone, they're gone. So you better get it while you can get it. All right? Also on the back, it explains to you all of the great things that we talked about. Once again, these come with a 2-year warranty. So if they start acting up for some reason, you got 2 years to send them back in, send your replacement, or fix them for you. All right? You got your seal of certification, of authenticity, of these are legit, the real deal Holyfield seal. That is the real deal Holyfield seal right there. So if you got something that ain't got right there, probably ain't the real deal Holyfield. All right, so we're gonna open them up so you can see them. See what they're talking about, because that picture look good, but ooh, wow. Do you see that? Look at that rubber around these clips. Oh, the grip. The diamond texture rubber grip around these things. So let's turn them on. Let's check out them RPMs. 7,200 is what it said. Ooh-wee! Talking about cutting through some hair. The Diamond Like Carbon 2.0 Deep Tooth Comb. See that right there? Now that's going to give you that crispy lineup. That's going to get in there and get that little fine hair for you. All right? These are awesome. So, like I said, you can use them corded or uncorded with dual voltage. And you got your hook to hang them up. All right? So, they have a real nice weight on them. They feel comfortable in your hand. And I'm sure you're going to like them. No, I know you're going to love them. So go pick up your Babybliss Pro, Babybliss for Barbers, from the Influence collection, the Los Cut It Up Black and Red. Now, they come in 3 different colors. You got the black and the red, you got the black and the purple, and you got the black and the green. So I'll be unboxing the other colors for you. But let's get through here and see what else you have, because, you always got to get down to the paperwork. Your warranty information, your maintenance information, see your cord and all of that good stuff there. Oh, wow. Got to get in here. Okay. So, here you have your cord for charging. All right. That's your piece right there. If the housing break, as far as when you're on the back of your blade, here's an all black. If you don't like the red, you can switch it out. The hook. All right. Your standard Babybliss charging cord, dual voltage, 110, 220. Can be used all over the world. And here is the zero gapping tool. So you can gap your blade, as well as you got your little screwdriver up in here. You got some oil. Oh man, they got some amazing items in here. Huh. Wow. All right. So this is your zero gapping tool right here. So if you need to zero gap them things, get them a little bit closer, there you have it right there. If they become a little dry, you have your little oil from Babybliss Pro. Just put a couple of drops on your blade and get that thing that lubrication that it needs. If you're traveling, you have your blade cover. So make sure you put your blade cover on that so you won't chip your blade, because you do not want to chip that DLC Diamond Light Carbon 2.0 Deep Tooth T blade. You don't want to do that. So put that on there. All right. There you have the nice Babybliss Phillip head screwdriver for changing out your blade. Got your nice, you can put it on your keychain, put it on your necklace if you want to. All right. And to get that hair, here's your little brush. Get on and brush that stuff out. All right. So here you have your paperwork, your book on your new trimmer. The FX787 series gives you your troubleshooting and everything that you need, maintenance, all of your information. If you should happen to send it in, need to send it in for warranty, all of your information is going to be on the inside here. And there's a nice, cool sticker to stick on your mirror, stick on your car. I don't know, stick it on your forehead. It's your boy, Mr. Face Shop, the brand ambassador. Peace.